Welcome back, Agency Zaps. It is 2025, and we are hitting you with a really fun zap. This is not just a zap, it's also something you've probably seen. I did a post about it. A couple other agents did posts about it. So I'm going to show you how we did it, and then we're going to go into the Zapier part of it. First and foremost, I'm starting off with this spreadsheet. I'll share this spreadsheet, but it's just so you can test around and play with it. This is a list of all of the state capitals in the United States, public information. So I didn't want to have to worry about any of that stuff. You're going to do is you're going to go to maps.google.com. You're going to go to saved. You're going to go to maps, and you're going to click open my maps. You're going to create a new map, and it's going to connect to your Google Drive. Okay. All right. So you have a couple different ways to do this. You can either import or you can open table data. The quick and easy way is import. So I'm going to download this as a CSV file. Grab it, share it here. Those are the parts we're going to use for our place marks. You can use street address, you can use longitude latitude pairs, but those are the two main ways. And then how you're going to pick your column for your title for your markers. You could do anything you want, but there's all the state capitals. Quick and easy way to do it. And that's how you do it. Now, the Zapier part of it. What I would do as an agency is what you could do is basically come in here, you're going to use new policy sold. What I saw another agent do is he had two types of maps. He had one for personal, one for commercial. So this Zap, or you could use not filters, but steps to go out, if personal, go this way, if commercial, do this way. But this is just breaking it down by personal, create spreadsheet row, configure it, grab all the information, then you just add that to the bottom of that. Now I'm going to pause this video and we're going to set up something else. Okay, now if you're paying attention, you look at the map, there's now two dots, there's two placeholders in Iowa. One is where the state capital is, and one is my address. What I did is I added my address, and what we would do is use this Zap to add people that spreadsheet, right? Then you're going to come into Google Map, your map, and as you update that, you can come in, go re-import and merge, replace all items. You're going to select that spreadsheet. You may have to copy and paste it. So what you need to do is make this spreadsheet. Anyone with the link is a viewer. Again, nothing in here is PII. It's all public information, so your addresses are safe. But the only people you're sharing it with here is Google, anyways, which we all have. So you're going to click that link, and that's how you'd update it. So you're going to select it, hit insert, and it update. If there's any information, it'll tell you right here. Now that is just how you basically update this map. You could update this once a month, but the steps are create a spreadsheet. The initial you can upload, and then when you want to update, basically, now if you had personal or commercial, your base map, or you're going to add a layer. We're going to open table, import. Again, we're going to go to Google Drives, use the same spreadsheet. Why aren't you letting me? Let me pause this. We're going to make another. All right. So I ended up importing the same one again, just because I didn't feel like adding it. But so this is, again, you could see how you would have the pin drop is for commercial. You use the home as your so you can either upload or use a shared spreadsheet in Google. I hope that makes sense. I will share all the templates and that spreadsheet so you have it. Um, basically, all you're going to need is a unique identifier for the place for the pin drop to like have a label. And then you're going to street address, city, state, and zip code. I recommend, and this is all just data management, always having those separated out in different fields, anyways. But that is how I did that. So I hope you enjoy.